Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to discuss map and flat map in Java 1.8. Now, so these are mostly important interview questions, and this topic are closely associated with stream API concept in Java 8. If you have a strong concept about lambda expression, if you have a strong concept about stream API, then you are easily understand this topic. Otherwise, you will have some facing problem in order to understand this topic. Now, what is map? So map. Before going to definition, before going to definition, observe this diagram. Now, guys, what is collection? So collection means a group of object. So this is collection. Inside this collection object, I want to perform a square operation. So once the square operation perform, the square operation of 1 is 1, the square operation of 2 is 4, the square operation of 3 is nothing but 9. So if you want to perform such operation like this, like a square operation, like cubic operation, like addition operation, then in this scenario you should go for map. So read this definition carefully. It is used to transform the one element of a string from one type to another by applying a specific function. A specific function, usually a lambda expression, to each element. Like if you want to perform a specific function, a square operation, addition operation, then you should go for map. And one more definition is, if you want to create a separate new object, this is new object. Okay, separate new object for every object present in the collection. Based on our requirement, you should go for map string interface. Okay, so what is map? That means if you want to perform some operation based on some condition, in this scenario you should go for map. Now we can observe over here once again. For one object, after performing operation, only one object will be created. For two, after performing square root, only one object will be created. So map is also map we can also say that map is one-to-one function, one-to-one mapping. Map is a one-to-one mapping because after performing map, only one object will be created. Okay, so let's get started coding implementation. Right. So here I will take a list. Inside list I will take element of 2, 4, 5 and 7. Now once I make this list, I assign this list into the another list and this and make it generic. Now map is a topic of collection. Now guys, you know very well how to convert list into the string, because string have a map method. So how to convert? I have a int list method name, reference name dot string is the method dot. I want to perform map operation, map. Now inside map I want to perform a square root operation. How to perform? Write a lambda expression. I goes to I cross I cross I. Okay, dot. Now I will print all these elements for YouTube. System dot out dot print ln. Guys, system is a class and out is an object of system, and I use a method reference to call println method. If this, for why I call this println? Because it print all the element present in the list. It will be print after performing map operation. Now clear? Observe. Now lambda expression, guys, this is a lambda expression. This is a symbol of lambda expression. Here I is nothing but integer type. Here I write my own logic. Once I execute this program, you can see output 4, 16, 25 and 49. So this is use of map, guys. Okay. Now coming back to next topic, what is a flat map? Okay. So flat map means, suppose you have an integer, x is integer. Now if you want to perform multiple operations through a single value, again listen, if you want to perform multiple operations by using a single value, then in this scenario you should go for flat map. Now you can read definition very carefully so that you are able to understand this topic. Both map and flat map can be applied a string, and they both return a string. The difference is that the map operation produce one output value for each input value. Map operation is produce one output value for each input value. And guys, I mentioned earlier, map is also known as one-to-one mapping. Whereas the flat map operation produce an arbitrary number, zero or more value for each input value. We can observe over here, x is an integer. X is an, what is x is an integer. Now, if you want to perform a square operation x, then you can easily perform. If you want to perform addition operation, they can easily perform. If you want to perform any more operation, then you can easily perform. So this is nothing but flat map. So how to implement flat map inside Visual Studio Code? Observe over here very carefully. So we know that flat map is a important method of a stream. So how to convert list into a stream? Again I follow the same scenario. Int list dot stream is a method. Stream dot. Okay. Here I perform a flat map. Flat map. Clear? Flat map. Now here I write my lambda expression. X goes to, okay. Now I write my logic stream dot of, okay. Suppose I write first I am going to find a square operation x cross x. Now after that I find addition operation and many more. If you want to perform cubic operation, you can easily perform dot for each inside I for each I use system dot out colon double slash, sorry, print print. Okay. So guys, why I write a stream of why I write? Because we know that a stream means what? A stream means, this is an example of a stream. A stream means sequence of character. A stream is sequence of digit. A stream is sequence of float. So here this is a sequence, right? This is sequence. If you write one more logic, you can easily perform x plus x plus x. This is sequence. This is nothing but a stream. So I write a stream of. Clear? Why I write a stream of? Hope you getting what I say. Okay. Once I print flat map, then you can see your output. Okay. First I find a square operation. The square operation is 2 is 4. The plus operation of 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4. The square operation of 4 is nothing but 16, and 4 plus 4 is nothing but 8, and so on. So flat map means if you have one value, through this one value, if you want to get multiple value, so in this scenario you should go for flat map. Flat map is one to many. Flat map is also known as what you say, one to many. But in the case of map, one to one. So this is nothing but map and flat map. So guys, this is all about of map and flat map.